Welcome. Today, we're optimizing OBS Studio for incredible video quality, no matter your PC power. I'll show you how to tweak settings for the best performance and visual results. Let's dive in. First, we need to install OBS Studio. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and search OBS. Go to the download page and choose your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll click the Windows installer to get started. After the .exe is installed, double-click the file. Click Yes. Next. Install. It does sometimes take a bit to install, so I'll use the power of video editing to speed it up. When it's installed, click Finish. Now I'll walk you through how to set up OBS Studio. First, click the plus below the sources, then add Display Capture. Now choose your display. Now you got your main screen ready for recording or streaming. Now, let's add a new scene. First, click the plus and name it whatever you want. In this scene, I'll show you how to add a camera with your main screen. To add the display, use the existing screen to avoid making things messy. Then press the plus, then video capture device. Since I don't have a camera, you press the device option and add your camera. Add your camera, and now you have a camera. Let's scale it. You can scale it however you want. Now let's optimize your recording/streaming quality. Before we optimize anything, connect the media platform to stream if you're going to stream. If you have gigabit internet, use 6,000 kilobits per second. If you have 500 megabits per second, use 4,500 kilobits per second or 3,000 kilobits per second, and any lower than 500 megabits per second, then you should use 2,500 kilobits per second. For recording, I like to use that MKV, but you can use whatever you want. For the encoder, use NVNDC, H.264 if you have an RTX NVIDIA GPU. If you don't have a GPU, set the output resolution to 1280/720 and 30 FPS. And if you do have a GPU, use 1920/1080 and 60 FPS. Awesome work! There are other tutorials for more in-depth to customize and configure OBS, but now you're ready to video record/stream. And this settings option in the controls works for getting into the settings as well. That is it. I hope you learned something and like this video if you like it. And see you next time.